So my pistol or stock delete version of the EMERBU TG ARP9 gel ball blaster is complete. I'm going to go over it, kind of show you everything that I did. Again, not a crazy mod, but a little bit involved. Just had to move some wiring. Did a slight spring upgrade too, so we should see an increase in FPS. So let's go over it. If you watched the build video, you saw all the parts and pieces, so you had a good idea of how it would go together. But of course, now we got it all put together. So main thing I did was obviously stock delete back here. So that was a custom piece that I modeled, sort of. My modeling is like building, stacking, resizing, cutting. And that's why I don't post these STLs anywhere, because I don't feel like, you know, if I put them out there that they're going to be easy for people to use. You may have to do some manual fabrication, and I don't know how well they'll print on other people's printers since they're kind of all custom built and custom designed. I've certainly got good at using them and building them and printing them on my printer and doing some manual fabrication if needed, and it's turned out good. But these are all basically started as a free version of a file somewhere, and then I added a bunch to them or resize them. So we did the stock delete. We wired the battery up to here. So here's your front battery box. This little screw, there's a heat insert there that just holds the door on. So that door is right there. The battery is in there. You can see I incorporated grips along the battery box as well to just kind of incorporate it and give it more functionality as a little foregrip. Went with this hexagon pattern throughout. Added a little bit here on the bottom of the mag and on the mag release, and then just a little canted riser here. It's got a little laser and a flashlight attached to it right now. I think it looks really cool. Obviously, still got everything you need, so that's good. For some reason, I'm not getting my primer to work, so I'm gonna have to try that out. And see what's going on with that. But other than that, everything looks cool, and I think it's going to perform really nice. Just need to figure out if there's an issue with the primer. The way I wired the wires to the front, I am thinking a wire is actually kind of restricting that primer from pulling back properly. So I'm going to guess that's what's going on. But we still have a little bit of blowback going too. Again, with the wires, I had to wire them on the other side of the gearbox, but you couldn't go too high because then you're going to inhibit the priming function. So that might be what I have going on, but I'll go ahead and mess around with that before I demo it, and then I can show you guys the pistol style EMERBU TG ARP9 in action. Comments, questions, post them below. Of course, like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, participate in those monthly giveaways. Thanks.